A very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. Today we are starting the numbers which we will be designing according to Madhubani calligraphy. So let us start. So today we are going to start with the number 6. So as decided, we are going to keep a small portion which is going to be consistent across numbers, and then in this case I'll be making a beautiful peacock on the number 6. So let's start. So here I have made the base design as the same as I have made in the other numbers to create a consistent pattern when we are doing the number boards. They can also be a part of your nameplates. Now I'll be creating the most popular character of Madhubani, that is the peacock here. And for creating the peacock, we will have to see the size, and a beautiful headgear for the peacock will be done. Here mainly the drop shape is being used to create the wings. A very intricate design can come up in the tail area of the peacock. We are also creating a branch with flowers so that the peacock can be made more beautiful. The flowers are also going to be in the traditional pattern of Madhubani style. Now when I'm creating the leaves here, I'm also doing the Kachni pattern and I'm only shading the leaves. Later on I'll be adding color to the rest of the portion of the number. So a combination of both Bharni and Kachni style will be used here. So we are creating different branches across the number with different floral patterns and leaves across it. Now there will be a very drastic contrast because we'll be doing the flowers in the Bharni style and we'll be doing the leaves in the Kachni style. So now you can see that the number 6 is ready. We are now going to color this using brush pens. Now there was a lot of query about the brush pens that I'm using. I'm using the Doms brush pens to color here in the whole calligraphy series. Also, the lower pattern we are going to keep consistent in number 6 like in the other numbers. The same color combination will be used. For the rest of the number 6 we will use different colors so that a brand new template is ready with you which can be used in your future designing. You can also use this template in a fusion manner. I will be showing you how to use these templates in various kinds of ways in future videos. So do stay tuned to those videos as well. Now you can see that number 6 is ready. I hope you have checked out the Fusion nameplates that we have done till now. Do like our channel and subscribe to our video, and don't forget to press the notification button, that is the bell button, so that you are notified as soon as we put a new video. Thanks, and thanks for watching.